Good afternoon, girls. Let us see problem number 7 in the Kalyani series textbook. So till 6th we have done with now. Let us see the problem number 7 where the face value of the shares will be reduced. You are given with authorized shares and subscribed shares. Coming to the authorized shares, which will not constitute in the amount of the balance sheet that was given. And next comes the subscribed and issued share capital, that is 15,000 preference shares of rupees 100 each, 10,000 ordinary shares at the rate of rupees 100 each, and sundry creditors bank overdraft. Coming to the asset side, you are given with the patent, set cost, plant and machinery, leasehold premises, sundry debtors, stock, discount on shares, preliminary expenses, cash, and profit and loss account. You are given with the totals also, girls. Now let us see how he will be restructuring his financial position of the company. The company suffered with the losses. Obviously, when the company is going for reconstruction, means the company will be facing some sort of some situation in financial stability. So, the point number 1 here goes. The preference shares be reduced to an equal number of fully paid shares of rupees 50 each. The preference shares be reduced to equal number of fully paid of shares of 50 each. So, what does it mean? Means equal number of shares means 15,000 shares are there. So, he is telling that just reduce the face value by 100 to 50, but equal number of shares should be maintained. And equity shares to be reduced to an equal number of rupees 25 each, means he has to maintain the number of shares like 10,000, but that will be maintained at rupees 25 each. And the next one is amount available to be used, written off 61,600 of leasehold premises, and 30,000 of stock, 20% of plant and machinery and sundry debtors, and the balance available to write off the patents. So he has given clear-cut instructions, girls. Now let us see how the journal entries will be appearing in the books of accounts. Prior to reconstruction, that is, let us start with the preference share capital, because he has also started the problem with preference share capital. Now, the first journal entry goes, prior to reconstruction, preference share capital, which is of face value 100 rupees, that comes to 15,000 shares of rupees 100 each, means that comes to 15 lakhs. To preference share capital, that is 50, means he asked you to maintain the equal number of shares, but face value is reduced to 50. Actually, why he has given narration here to maintain equal number of shares means if the face value of the share was given reduced, it's treated that there is no change in the number of shares. That's the reason, instead, to take out that particular notion, has given you to maintain equal number of shares with the reduction in the face value also. So here comes, after reconstruction, the company is gaining preference share capital of 7,50,000 and it's foregoing after capital reduction, that is to the tune of 7,50,000. That means 100 rupees face value at 50 means 50% it is foregoing. That is as far as preference shares are concerned. Next comes, let us see equity share capital. Equity share capital account data rupees 100, that is 10 lakhs, to fresh, means after reconstruction, to equity share capital rupees 25 each, that is 2,50,000, and to capital reduction account 7,50,000, means the company is foregoing in case of preference shares 7,50,000 and in case of equity shares 7,50,000. And the next entry must be how the assets and liabilities, capital reduction account data. How this 15 lakhs is appearing in the capital reduction, girls? Nothing but in preference shares we have foregone 7,50,000 and in equity shares 7,50,000. So capital reduction account credit is 15 lakhs. So we are supposed to use this credit of 15 lakhs to adjust certain assets and to wipe off certain liabilities. Let us see how the entry appears in the books. So that is capital reduction account data 15 lakhs to profit and loss account, which he asked to write off 2,30,000 to preliminary expenses, which is already given in the problem, like 24,000, to discount on shares. What is this discount on shares? Here in the problem it was given to discount on shares. That's nothing but 24,000. That 36,000, that's what we have used over here. He has asked you to show available funds out of leasehold premises 61,600. So leasehold premises 61,600, stock 30,000, plant and machinery. So he asked to plant and machinery 20% on plant and machinery and sundry debtors. So plant and machinery amount was given 84,400, out of which 20% you need to write off. That 20% is nothing but 16,880. And provision for doubtful debts. What is the amount of sundry debtors? That is 1,53,000, out of which 20% you need to take out. That comes to 30,600. And the remaining balance, anything available to write off the patents. That's the reason here you show, girls, to patents a balancing figure, because this amount was not mentioned in the problem, but he has given over here balance of 2 patents. So this is the balance out of 15 lakhs. After adjusting all these write-off assets and liabilities, patents were left with 10,70,920. So here you need to mention balancing figure, because this is what you have found out, which is not there in the problem. Now coming to how the balance sheet will appear. This is nothing but capital. So 15,000 equal shares, no? So he said 15,000 shares of rupees 50 each, 7,50,000. 10,000 equity shares of rupees 25 each, 2,50,000. Bank OD, creditors as it is. Coming to leasehold premises, out of 2,16,600, he asked you to reduce 61,600. That comes to 2 lakhs. Plant and machinery, 20% is written off, 84,400 minus 16,880. That is 67,520. Sundry debtors, 20% is to be reduced, 1,53,000 minus 30,600, that comes to 1,22,400. And stock, to reduce 30,000, so 1,10,000 minus 30,000, that comes to 80,000. Cash, which is already there in the balance sheet, given 1,000. And patents, out of 17 lakhs, we could write off only 10,70,920. That comes to 6,29,080, where your balance sheet total must be 11 lakhs. With this, we have even completed problem number 7, girls. Thank you.